you can see, the motor, and have a cutoff switch. And we want to crank it up. Just so you know, this is a 350. Had it dynoed at 345 horsepower. As you can see, the rest of the car is looking in good shape. Looks good from a distance. Let it warm up a little bit, then we'll kick it down. You can see the lights, how the lights look shined up, how the LED lights working, cranked up. Gauges. Sounds good when I put it in drive. Nice sound.